the song is very apt. Your Excellency, the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya, and the party leader of UDA and the leader of the Azimio Group Alliance. Sorry, oh my goodness. And the party leader of Kenya Kwanza Alliance, my sincere apologies, because I was thinking what I'll say about them. And all the party leaders that are present here, all my colleagues and everybody, good afternoon. I don't have much to say because when you come last, most of the things that you would have wanted to say have been said. But I think what I would want to say at this point in time is first to welcome all those parties that have made the bold step to join us in the Kenya Kwanza Alliance. As you have heard, this is an alliance which is more than just a political movement. It is a home for many of us. Many people say that since some of us joined this side, even our facial expressions have changed to be a little bit more relaxed. We smile more often because on the other side, you did not know who is your ally, even when you're on the same side, and who was the person pulling you. The person who actually was supposed to be your best friend, you would find is the same person who's actually leading you into the trenches to make sure that you're finished. But on this side, I must thank you, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, for your leadership. You have been exemplary. What everybody is saying, you are reachable. It's actually unbelievable where you get the time. You listen to people, even contrary opinions. When we differ, you have a way of taking charge and leading us in that direction. And us, as your followers, we support you, we stand with you, we have every confidence that Kenya will have the best president ever come August 9th, 2022 this year. We have absolutely no doubt that we will win because we have the numbers. We will win with a huge margin. And now to just respond to that issue that Mheshimiwa Ndindi Nyoro has mentioned. We have seen it reported in the newspapers about them wanting that you vacate the Hustler's mansion so that they can start renovation in preparation for the next deputy president. We would also, as Kenyans and members of Kenya Kwanza Alliance, request for first the vacation of State House for the preparation of renovation for the incoming 5th president of the Republic of Kenya. I think tuanze na kule juu, watuonesha example, akivacate to renovate kwa sababu sisi tunajua president wetu wa 5 angependa pia kuingia huko kama kumetengenezwa vile inastahili. Sina mengi ya kusema, niseme tu asanteni sana, welcome home, and we look forward to forging a new Kenya, a Kenya that will uplift the majority of citizens of this country up, and we have every confidence that our bottom-up and Pesa Mfukoni Alliance, Kenya Kwanza Alliance, will deliver in August. Asanteni sana.